So, the struggles of looking for a job, myself along with others were battling through the job market these days. A little bit about mine. Um, I actually went into 2023 thinking of, I just gotten my MBA in the fall prior. I just got my MBA the fall prior. Enjoyed the holidays, just like a lot of you. Started 2023 with first meeting right away, thinking, hey, let's talk about like promotion or something. Nope. Talk about your position has been eliminated due to reorder, restructure. It's awesome. So happy New Year, right? Happy 2023. So there went that. Decided to start doing some consulting, copywriting, climate coaching, and I enjoyed it. Business I would say was a struggle because let's face it, look how many people have gotten laid off, right? AI has transformed a lot of the jobs that we used to pay for a lot of the services, right? So my thing is that I went into sustainability, my love of food, to work with a corporation where I can design and lead change, right? During my time at Microsoft, built this free food program, right? Everyone thinks free food, what a waste, based on sustainable principles, based on wellness, right? To a point where decreased the campus consumption of animal protein by 30%. And 60% of the menu was plant-based, vegan, vegetarian. The menu changed daily. And guess what? That brought back 2/3 of the population on a daily basis. So post-COVID, 66% of the campus population would come into the office every day. Well, I know other offices, getting a third was a good day, was a good metric. And this was still not even a requirement. So, good food, your attention to employees, maybe then will come into work. Anyhow, going back to the job market situation, it's draining. It's emotionally draining. It's tiring. You work on these resumes and they go into the abyss of not knowing if anyone's going to read them. Sometimes you get that rejection mail or email in a matter of hours, the following day, or 3 months later. So I've been, looking at definitely going back into the corporate world where a lot of the many are leaving. I'm actually going the opposite direction. And why? It's because I believe in what I do.